Good trading day to close out the week, up 48.50 today on the 200K portfolio, trading 4 micros on 26 algos and up 11.75, trading just 1 micro on those same 26 algos. This took us up for the week on both portfolios and up on the month in our second day of trading for September 2022. Let's look at the trades on the day. Momentum reversal once again was the trade of the day. Lots of talk about light volume and reversals and jobs reports and lots of fundamental news and news flow going around. But in the end, the market gapped down and reversed to the upside yesterday. Today it gapped up a little bit and rallied and then reversed to the downside. I thought we'd see more selling. We didn't get that noontime prop up. Broke through. I thought we'd take out yesterday's lows. I thought we should have taken out yesterday's low. That force that likes to support the market didn't do it at noon. It tried to do it at 1400. It broke those lows at 1545, and then they were able to come in and prop it up a little bit into the close. So some of our profits disappeared on this. We were due for, I think, some sharper selling. I think Wall Street stepped away. A lot of the buy side stepped away today pre-holiday and saw the sell-off and kind of came back in or worked remotely to support this market. And so I thought there should have been more selling, but we had a gain today. Very choppy markets, really hard to trade this market. So I'm happy to have these profits today. We're at equity peaks in the portfolio, steady, slower. We haven't had huge days. We haven't had any 5-figure days lately in our 200K portfolio, because there is so much chop and mean reversion. If you look at a chart like this, you see how it's pointed upward. So the trend is up, and so you get some long trades going, and those are stopped out, and then you reverse, and you get some shorts going, and then it curls up at the end of the day, and some of those profits disappear. And a lot of the maximum potential, can be seen really is from this low to this high. So while you take a look, your eye can see, wow, look at this reversal from here to here. You pick out the best points, but when you trade in real time, it's a lot harder than that to know what's going to happen next, since we can't predict the future. So we did have some good short trades on the day to make up for our early losses on the long side. You see AT 2022 started on the short side. The market rallied, and then EVP1 came at the end of the day, took this long trade the way it did yesterday, so a gain there. And then 60-minute breakout had a gain on the jobs report. Lots of slippage on that trade, though, so disappointed in that. Gap continuation 2019 took the long trade, stopped out on the rollover. Same thing on gap continuation 2022. Tick reversal, had a nice short here. Looked like the market wouldn't go lower. Then when it did this, I thought it was gonna hit its profit target, but then it bounced on us. So we just had a small profit there instead of what I think we should have had. And then Tick Pulse took the long trade early, stopped out. We have a tight stop on this strategy. So the long trade lost, the short trade was a winner. And then overlap NQ got a nice piece of that trend that we talked about, that sell-off that happened, that reversal that happened. SR counter trend 2 V2 1M stopped down on this trade. Just stopped out. We probably just need a little bit bigger stop loss there. And if we would have, that would have been a great short to hold throughout the day, even though it does have a pretty tight profit target and a tight stop. Tick pullback. I thought this was a good trade at first. This looks really strong. I thought we would close above 12,500 today on the Nasdaq. I think that's what they wanted. But yesterday's rally was not so solid. So market rolled over towards yesterday's lows. You see that propping up there. The market really wants to support 12,000 on the Nasdaq and 3,900 on the S&P. And so whether they want to or not, whether they get what they want, we'll see. It's not necessarily about whole price levels. That's in a low volatility, nice bull market when the Fed's at your back and there's not a lot of geopolitical news to hurt your trades. And so in this kind of market environment, it's difficult to take those types of trades. So we've seen prop ups 2 days in a row. And so I still haven't developed a strategy on prop ups. one of my ideas is to develop a strategy so that when you see the market propped up like this, it seems like it should go lower, has an unnatural curl up, should go over, unnatural curl up. It's just some of this unnatural looking price action, the desire to not let the market trade at a certain level. Then it will gap down and either take a short overnight or an option, a put option on that trade. Could be a profitable strategy. That's just an idea. I don't trade that. I don't have that strategy yet, but that's one way to think about it. Cobra 3 had a nice long trade. That was really nice there. Took a little heat at the beginning, hit that. It's what 4 of the last trades you see on this chart are winners on Cobra 3, Nasdaq, and momentum reversal. Trade of the day. Once again, the long side yesterday, short side today. Really nice trading. It's really top strategy right now. And then we had Robot 2022 in Q. Stopped out. That's okay. 3 losers in a row. This is one of those strategies that can capture the big winners. And, has 3 losses in a row. Has a higher percentage of losers. And there's the liquidity still wants this market to go up. And so I'm open for anything. I'm open for a trend to the downside. I'm open to taking out the summer lows. I'm open to taking out the highs on the year. Either way, parabolic VSD, kind of a break-even trade on the day. And like I keep saying, there's lots of fundamental news, geopolitical news, Fed news. It's confusing, and we trade price, and that's the best way to trade this is with price and with risk management, stop losses, and diverse group of strategies, and a stop loss on your portfolio. Cobra 3 up on the day, hit its profit target on the long side on the S&P, SR counter trend 2 ES. Got short there. When the market did this around this time frame, I thought it's just going to be a slow grinding Friday. The market's just going to sit here all day. And then it finally started to sell, and then I thought, once it got here, it's going to take, like I thought, kick out these lows. But 3,900 is right there, and the liquidity wants to support that. So we'll see if that happens next week. We have Monday. Monday is a holiday, so that's what makes this interesting. Is oftentimes when Monday's a holiday, 3-day holiday weekend, the market kind of drifts higher, low volatility, drift higher. And I think the bears took a playbook from the bulls and used this low volume and market environment to push the market in their direction, to get some short trades going. And after yesterday's rally, we captured it on momentum reversal on the S&P as well, not just the Nasdaq. On the S&P, 60-minute breakout, had 2 winners today, nice shorts today. So good day to short the market. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 4 on the S&P. On the Nasdaq, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 strategies trade on the Nasdaq. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 14 Nasdaq strategies were winners on the day. So I didn't anticipate this sell-off today, and the market sentiment seemed very dismissive in the financial media as well as the VIX. So these are the final trades on the day, though. It's up on the day, even though I thought the market would go up and that our potential for profit would be on long trades, it was actually on the short side. So that's why we trade our systems. And these are the final numbers on the day, week, and month for September the 2nd, 2022. Should have the portfolio calculator updated over the weekend. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.